How's it going, fellas? I'm Ethan from Zappos.com, and we're going to be checking out this shoe today. They're from Under Armour. When you're on the field, you're going to want to have some absolute power in your corner. You can have just that with these awesome football cleats. It's a high top design, and it features synthetic uppers in an engineered placement designed for in-shoe support with the flexibility to respond to sudden pivots. It's got a adjustable traditional lace up here to have a very secure fit, and it's got a full length tongue in the back there. This has integrated straps to reduce tongue slip during wear. In the interior there, it's a very breathable textile. It's got a pressure forming 4D foam footbed, which molds to the foot for a locked in fit and consistent comfort against the pressure from the cleat plate. Speaking of that, the UA traction scatter cleat plate is designed to support big push-offs in variable directions, allowing faster momentum shifts during pivots and runs. Grab these awesome high top cleats today. It might be Under Armour, but this is armor for your foot, so maybe it's Outer Armour. Anyway, pick them up today. They're from Under Armour.